Grammy-winning dancehall artist Sean Paul has kicked off his anticipated Scorcher tour. Now on Friday, the artist took the stage at his concert at Delta Festival held on the beach in Marseille. This marks Sean Paul's first performance in France in 4 years.
So you know, so the vibe them start when the chronic puffin. And you don't know, so we got the Joe standing. Give you good loving and there ain't no bluffing. Time for action, done the talking. Wind up, wine for the rock.
Sean Paul recently hit the stage as a headlining act of the St. Kitts Music Festival. Now, the Scorcher Tour will see the artist making stops in several cities across Europe, including Luxembourg, Denmark, Germany, France, and the United Kingdom, before heading to North America, along with stops in Canada and the United States from September to October. Sean Paul will make a stop in Texas before moving on to New Orleans and ending the tour with a few appearances in Georgia. The tour is in support of his latest album, Scorcher, which was released on May 27. The album is the dancehall artist's 8th studio album and his first full-length project on the iconic Island Records. The Minister of Culture and Entertainment, Olivia Grange, has announced the finalists for the 2022 Jamaica Festival Song Competition. In a statement, Minister Grange said after reviewing all the entries, the panel has selected 10 finalists. The selection panel decided on the 10 finalists, and she was pleased with the response to the reopening of entries. Now, the minister also noted that the songs are being mastered and the recordings will be released soon. The minister, through the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, is making arrangements to put the finalists on social media and on global music streaming platforms. The winning song will be selected following 2 televised shows on July 14 and 28. The winning song will be awarded $3 million to be shared among the producer, writer, and singer. Nigerian star Burna Boy is gearing up to release his 6th studio album titled Love Damini. The Grammy-nominated artist unveiled the track list of the project, which features dancehall artist Bob Khan. The Unruly Boss will be featured on the song TAS and will join a slew of other international acts, including Ed Sheeran, J Balvin, Blast, among others. Love Damini is Burna Boy's 6th body of work and boasts previously released tracks like Last and Kilometer. The album comes 9 years after Burna Boy's debut, Life, which was a follow-up to On a Spaceship and his Grammy-nominated project Outside. Following the release of his new album, Burna Boy will then embark on his summer tour in support of the project. The tour kicks off July 17 and will wrap up on July 31. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.